Well, hello, my kickable ducks, and welcome to A Shed Show, a show about a man, me, one of the many Williams working today, who's building a shed and posting about it in 3-minute episodes. But why does the title have a question mark in it? Question mark. I'll tell you if you sit down. It's because, well, it suggests that I can talk about other things really, not just a shed. Any old horse shit that I dream up. Basically, I'm trying to drag it out for your viewing pleasure, but also because I struggle to finish It's a sheep one. It's so camp, isn't it? A tool belt. Anyway, it's useful, and it has the word Dad written on it, which is sweet. Today, I'm trying to clad the whole back of the shed. Yeah. But it's on this. This has been the hardest thing I've done yet. It's taken me, I don't know, like an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe, to do 2 strips. It's a nightmare. Just because, I don't know, I can't get my nail gun in. And look, I'm standing like a f***ing mountain goat. But at least it's a beautiful day. So I'm hoping you're having a nice day too. I'm going to put my tool belt on now. So, see if you can control yourself. It's pretty sexy. It's not that late. It's because it's, you know, it's dark though, and I'm really tired. I'm really cold. So what I thought I'd do is I'd explain what I've done today in a made-up foreign accent, and then I'd sort of translate it with a voiceover. So basically,
I tried to clad the back of the shed, but found it difficult and didn't get a lot done. I worried I didn't have enough footage, so I came up with this foreign accent voiceover idea. Is it fundamentally problematic? Your mum is fundamentally problematic. Sorry, I get aggressive when I feel guilty. I'm sure your mum's fine, unless she's not, which would be a problem, fundamentally. I'm just going to keep talking until it's over. Was it Lord Byron